The 4 super easy, essential, popular buttercream frosting that helped me won 4 blue ribbons. You will discover in a little bit this is the easiest buttercream you will ever make, lots of tips and tricks and how to frost a cake. So let's get it started. The first tip is leaving cold butter in room temperature for about 1.5 hours, so just leave them out at the start of making a cake. But if you forget, no worries, just cut each stick into pieces and microwave for 20 to 30 seconds per stick individually. Just make sure no melting. Now, I'm not gonna waste your time showing each individual frosting, the process is the same, so here are the basics. If whiter frosting is desired, you can add some white food coloring. Now we start with beating softened butter with other softened ingredients like cream cheese or peanut butter, just for about 15 seconds to make a sticky base. Then we add 2 cups of powdered sugar beat for 15 seconds. I never sifted my powdered sugar, if you keep it airtight and dry. Add the rest of ingredients, cream for about 2 minutes, done, that's it! One note is that during the creaming, be sure to scrape a couple times, especially when using a stand mixer, as the bitters will not touch the side of the bowl. A final scrape and stir at the end to ensure a super silky, smooth, uniform, creamy frosting. Oh, and don't forget to lick off the bitters. Very important step. You're not just a baker, you're a taster too. To frost a cake, just smear the frosting with a spatula, but if you are more serious about how it looks like you bring it to a party, you will need appropriate tools and some practice. Here are a few tips. Use a large cookie scoop for easy transferring, spreading the frosting past the edges of the cake so you can frost the side easier later. Hold the scraper at a 30 to 45 degrees angle when smoothing the frosting on the side, and use the tip of a flexible spatula for cleaning at the base. For piping, if you are fancy, my favorite is the versatile chewy piping tip. It can do pretty much anything you need for typical decorating. Now that you know these essential buttercream frosting, create your own cake or try them with my blue ribbon cake. The delicious choice is yours. Thanks so much and I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye bye.